I'm gonna post more. What's up guys, so welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to make a grunge makeup and grunge style because I like grunge and I like gothic. So what is grunge? Grunge is style that inspired by the grunge music, which is like a bit rock, and the grunge is like dirty thing, comfortable thing. I love like gothic thing. Then it must be like black, all black and white, like bad boy. Yeah, something like bad boy. So let's get started. First, I will do my skincare routine. I already washed my face.
And
I'm going to use Mario Badescu, which is my all-time favorite. This is the best toner ever. Next, I'm using my serum, Snail Through Chicha, because I have a lot of scars, and yeah, it helped me a lot. I take 2 pumps because I want some moisturize. I'm not going to talk too much for today's video. I know it's kind of boring while you guys watching my first YouTube video, right? Because I talk too much. As we are going to do like a grunge style, grunge makeup today, so I already wear my bracelet. So this is a black shirt and black jeans. Make a hickey because like what I say, the grunge boy or grunge girl, I mean grunge style, they are dirty, right? So there must be a sex thing. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty palette, which is the nude palette, and I'm going to take the Love Bite color. Oh, I'm sorry, Love Bite color, and my Morphe 35W. This one from this palette, this color. I already tried it and it's work. It takes time to make a hickey, so I think I'm going to make it off of the camera.
a few moments later.
Okay, I love it. So now let's move to face. I'm going to wear sunscreen by Biore. Shake. Using Maybelline Baby Skin. 1, 2, because I have a lot of pores here. I'm sorry because yeah, it's been so long since the first video, because I already record a video to upload in my YouTube channel, but the lighting is so bad, so I'm not going to post it because yeah, I don't like it. The tip for wearing the primer for the pores is you need to push it down like that to make it fill the pores. I'm using L'Oreal True Match. I'm gonna take like 1 pump and half. I love to use beauty blender because it will be more natural. Okay, done. So I'm going to take some of shading like this coat or this coat, because I hate my forehead. It's too light. Catrice all about me. powder brush. Just set it on the eye because we don't want it looks so powdery. Just less effort, right? What had I seen before? Just put it a T-zone, like just take like this and put all over your face. Take your beauty blender again and blend it. To make our face look more natural, and I'm going to spray my face using this toner because I don't have a setting spray because it's already because I'm going to spray my face. Oh my god, my bad. Next, I'm going to shading my nose. So let's move to the eye. Fever. Our shading color. We are going to make our lid natural and our under eye look like sad face, like red, like black, purple, like not purple, it's like when you got punched by somebody. I'm taking my brush, another brush to take like this color, this one. Then I'm taking boy eyes, male's eyes, like hardworking boys' eyes, like they have like black eye, like you know what I mean. Okay, done. Let's move to under eye. I'm taking my pencil brush, so I'm taking this color. I always did it. Oh my god, it's hurt. It's okay, just go on. Take some more. So I'm taking this one. Like that, just like that. Then just blend. And you look like sad boy, right? Like oh, it's so hard of having like a long nails. But I'm gonna take some of purple color from this palette, Love Bite, the Love Bite one. Allah, oh Allah. I'm gonna take some brown color. This one right here. Just put it under, close to your waterline, like right here. Yeah, just like that. Don't put too much. I'm sorry because I'm having a broken English, but I'm trying. I'm making this video like a YouTube channel actually to improve my English also, and to teach you guys how to do makeup. This is for the eye, and let's move to, I'm going to make some tattoo on my face. Hyperliner, Maybelline Hyper Sharp our black eyeliner. Like that. I love it so motherfucking much. Yo, sup, yo, sup, yo, tiba. Like that. Like love here. Just like that. Okay. Is it okay? Just pretend it's okay. And I'm going to make like a star here, over here, here. So I'm going to make a fake piercing here, like here and here. Yeah, so I love it. So let's move to the lips. Taking my Vaseline. Red lipstick. Yeah, this one. This one. Okay, so we are done. Just set your hair and yeah, I'm gonna take on that. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget subscribe and follow my Instagram. All of the link will be listed in the description box below. So bye.